ChatGPT for Excel. What if I told you that people spend hours writing Excel formulas, cleaning messy spreadsheets, and creating reports, while others finish the same work in just a few minutes using ChatGPT? The truth is, ChatGPT can't replace Excel, but when you combine the two, you can save hours every week, reduce mistakes, and work like an Excel expert, even if you're a complete beginner. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT with Excel through real-world examples that can make your work faster, easier, smart. Let's get started. Excel is one of the most powerful tools in the world. Businesses use it, students use it, accountants use it, small business owners use it. The problem? Most people only know about 10% of what Excel can actually do. Learning formulas, pivot tables, charts, and data analysis takes time. That's where ChatGPT becomes your personal Excel assistant. In this video, you'll learn how ChatGPT can help you write formulas, clean data, build reports, analyze information, automate repetitive work, and even explain complex Excel features in simple English. By the end of this video, you'll have practical skills you can start using immediately. 1. What can ChatGPT actually do for Excel? Let's clear up a common misunderstanding. ChatGPT doesn't magically open your spreadsheet and edit it by itself. Instead, it acts like an expert Excel coach. You describe what you need, ChatGPT tells you exactly how to do it. Think of it like having an Excel expert available 24 hours a day. For example, imagine your manager asks you to calculate monthly sales growth, instead of searching Google for 20 minutes. You simply ask, write an Excel formula to calculate percentage growth between 2 months. Within seconds, ChatGPT explains the formula and tells you how to use it. This alone can save a huge amount of time. But that's only the beginning. 2. Generate Excel formulas instantly. One of the biggest reasons people use ChatGPT with Excel is formula generation. Many Excel formulas look confusing. Functions like XLOOKUP, index match, SUMIFS, COUNTIFS, and IF statements can be difficult to remember. Instead of memorizing everything, simply describe your goal. For example, I have employee salaries in column B. Add a 10% bonus only if salary is greater than $50,000. ChatGPT can generate the exact formula. Even better, it explains every part so you understand how it works. This is much faster than searching through forums or watching random tutorials. Common mistake: many people copy formulas without understanding them. Always ask ChatGPT to explain the formula step by step. That way you'll improve your Excel skills, instead of just copying answers. 3. Clean messy data, like a pro. Real-world spreadsheets are rarely perfect. Names have extra spaces, dates appear in different formats, BANO numbers don't match. Duplicate entries create problems. Cleaning data manually can take hours. ChatGPT can recommend the best Excel functions to solve each issue. Imagine you receive customer data from multiple sources. Some names are written in all capital letters. Others have unnecessary spaces. Some emails contain typing mistakes. Simply describe the problem. ChatGPT can suggest functions like trim, proper, clean, repeat, text, and more. Instead of guessing which formula to use, you'll know exactly what works. This is one of the biggest time-saving tricks professionals use every day. 4. Understand complex formulas. Have you ever opened an Excel file created by someone else? You click on a cell and see a formula that's 10 lines long. It looks impossible to understand. This is where ChatGPT becomes incredibly useful. Paste the formula into ChatGPT and ask, explain this formula in simple English. Instead of confusing technical language, you'll receive a step-by-step explanation. You'll understand what each function does and why it's being used. This helps students, office workers, freelancers, and business owners become more confident with Excel. Have you ever seen an Excel formula that looked impossible to understand? Let me know in the comments. 5. Build better charts and dashboards. Numbers alone don't always tell the full story. Visual reports help people understand data much faster. But choosing the right chart can be confusing. Should you use a bar chart, a pie chart, a line graph, or a pivot chart? ChatGPT can recommend the best visualization based on your data. For example, if you're tracking monthly sales, a line chart usually shows trends clearly. If you're comparing departments, a bar chart often works better. If you're analyzing percentages, another chart type may be more effective. ChatGPT can even explain how to build dashboards that update automatically when new data is added. That's a skill employer loves. 6. Analyze data faster. Large spreadsheets can feel overwhelming, thousands of rows, hundreds of columns, important information hidden inside all that data. Instead of staring at the spreadsheet wondering where to begin, ask ChatGPT questions like, what trends should I look for in sales data? What KPIs should I calculate? How do I find my best-selling products? ChatGPT can suggest useful calculations and explain which metrics matter most. For example, a small business owner can quickly identify which products make the highest profit. A teacher can analyze student performance. A freelancer can track monthly income. The possibilities are almost endless. 7. Automate repetitive tasks. Nobody enjoys repeating the same work every day. Coin data, renaming files, DAPSHM reports, writing similar formulas again and again. ChatGPT can help generate Excel automation ideas. If you're learning Excel macros or VBA, ChatGPT can even create beginner-friendly code and explain what every line does. You don't need to become a programmer overnight. Start with small automations. Even saving 10 minutes every day adds up to more than 60 hours every year. Just remember to test generated code carefully before using it on important files. SOCRAM is powerful, but it still needs human review. 8. Learn Excel faster than ever. One of the smartest ways to use ChatGPT is as a personal teacher. Instead of watching hours of tutorials, ask questions whenever you're stuck. For example, explain pivot tables like I'm a beginner. What's the difference between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP? Teach conditional formatting with examples. ChatGPT can adjust its explanation to your skill level. You can even ask for quizzes, practice exercises, or sample spreadsheets to improve your learning. This creates a personalized learning experience that traditional courses often can't provide. If you're trying to improve your Excel skills this year, comment Excel below so I know you're joining the challenge. 9. Common mistakes to avoid. While ChatGPT is incredibly useful, it's not perfect. First, never assume every formula is correct, always test it. Second, provide clear instructions. Instead of saying, my spreadsheet isn't working, try saying, I need a formula that counts sales over $500 in column C. Better prompts produce better answers. Third, never upload confidential business or personal data without checking your company's privacy rules. Protect sensitive information whenever possible. Finally, remember that ChatGPT helps you work smarter, but learning the basics of Excel is still valuable. The best results come from combining your knowledge with AI assistance. 10. The future of Excel and AI. We're entering a new era where AI becomes part of everyday work. Instead of replacing people, AI helps people become more productive. Companies are already looking for employees who know how to use AI tools effectively. Imagine two job candidates. Both know Excel. Only one knows how to combine Excel with AI to finish projects faster. Who do you think has the advantage? Learning these skills today could help you save time, improve your career, and stand out in a competitive job market. The future belongs to people who know how to work with AI. Not fear it. Today you've learned that ChatGPT can become one of the most valuable tools for anyone who uses Excel. It can generate formulas, explain confusing functions, clean messy data, build reports, recommend charts, analyze information, help automate repetitive work, and even teach you Excel step by step. Remember, ChatGPT isn't here to replace your skills, it's here to make your skills stronger. The more you practice using both together, the more productive you'll become. Don't wait until everyone else is using AI, start learning today, and you'll stay ahead tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, so more people can discover it. Subscribe to AI Wealth Hub for more videos about AI tools, ChatGPT, productivity, automation and smarts to grow your skill. And tell me in the comments, what's the biggest Excel problem you want ChatGPT to solve? Thanks for watching AI Wealth Hub. See you in the next video.